Welcome to Manny's Automotive. Today we have a 2021 Hyundai Sonata, and I'm going to be showing you how to replace your cabin air filter. First thing you're going to do is go to the passenger side of your vehicle, locate your glove compartment, which is right here, and pop it open. Once you do pop open your glove compartment, you're going to go right here. You're going to see these two little tabs here. You're going to squeeze one in and just pop this out. Make sure you pop this out, because if not, you do break the piece all the way on top, which will cost you money. Next, you're going to go to this side of the glove compartment and this side of the glove compartment, and you're going to squeeze them together towards each other, towards the middle of your glove compartment. Once you do that, you can pull the glove compartment down and slide it out the way. You're going to see here, here's your cover for your cabin air filter. You're going to squeeze these two little tabs and go towards you, and then just kind of finagle this out of your way. It'll fall right out. As you see, it just hooks in here. These two is what hold it. You slide out your cabin air filter, which is relatively easy. You pull it out, you push it back in, make sure airflow points down, which is the flow of air. You grab your little cover, you slide it into the little tab that's all the way at the end. Boom. Squeeze these bad boys back in so you can push this in. All right, nice and sealed. Make sure it seals properly. You push the glove compartment up, come back to this side, hook that back up, close it up, and you have successfully changed your cabin air filter. If you find this video useful, please make sure to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.